Welcome to a world where tradition meets elegance in the heart of Spanish-inspired design. In today's video, we will explore 5 unique styles that will transform your bathroom into a sanctuary of comfort. These Spanish bathroom design ideas will inspire you to remodel your own. Starting off with the classic Andalusian retreat, a style that brings the rich history and charm of southern Spain into your home. This design is characterized by the use of traditional Spanish tiles, often hand-painted with intricate patterns that tell a story of craftsmanship and culture. The warm earth tones paired with crisp white accents create a balanced color palette that is both soothing and invigorating. Arched doorways and stucco walls enhance the rustic charm, while soft natural light filters through wooden shutters, adding a serene glow to the space. This style is perfect for those who want to create a peaceful, spa-like atmosphere that transports them to the sun-drenched courtyards of Andalusia every time they step into their bathroom. In a classic Andalusian retreat, textures play a crucial role. Smooth ceramic tiles meet rough-hewn wood and stone, creating a tactile experience that is both luxurious and grounded. The use of wrought iron fixtures, whether in the form of light sconces or mirror frames, adds a touch of vintage elegance. The overall mood of this bathroom is one of tranquility and timeless beauty, making it an ideal choice for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Whether you're soaking in a deep, freestanding bathtub or standing under a rain shower framed by an arched alcove, this bathroom invites relaxation and rejuvenation. Lighting is another key element in this design. Natural light is preferred, often enhanced by the strategic placement of small, arched windows that allow sunlight to pour in without compromising privacy. In the evening, the warm glow of candles or dimmed overhead lighting creates a cozy and intimate atmosphere. This attention to lighting transforms the bathroom from a functional space into a sanctuary where you can unwind after a long day. The classic Andalusian retreat also celebrates the outdoor-indoor living that is so characteristic of Spanish design. If space allows, consider incorporating a small private courtyard or garden visible from the bathroom. The sight of lush greenery or a bubbling fountain adds to the calming effect, making this bathroom not just a place for bathing, but a true retreat for the senses. The natural elements further enhance the connection to the earth, grounding the space in both tradition and nature. The Rustic Terracotta Sanctuary is a celebration of the earthy tones and natural materials that are the hallmarks of traditional Spanish design. At the heart of this style is the use of terracotta, a material that brings warmth and character to terracotta tiles, whether on the floor or walls, create a rich, textured backdrop that exudes rustic charm. The warm, earthy color palette of this bathroom, dominated by shades of burnt orange, clay, and brown, evokes the landscapes of rural Spain, making it the perfect choice for those who want to bring a bit of the outdoors inside. In a rustic terracotta sanctuary, the textures are as important as the colors. Rough, hand-hewn beams support the ceiling, while walls are often finished in whitewashed plaster, creating a beautiful contrast with the terracotta. The floor, made of terracotta tiles, adds warmth underfoot and invites you to walk barefoot. This bathroom is designed to be both comforting and inviting, with every detail chosen to enhance the natural beauty of the materials. The overall effect is one of rustic elegance where simplicity meets sophistication. Lighting in this style is soft and warm, often achieved through the use of wrought iron sconces or lanterns that cast a gentle glow over the space. Natural light is also important, and small, strategically placed windows allow sunlight to filter in, highlighting the rich colors and textures of the room. The play of light and shadow adds depth to the space, enhancing the rustic feel while creating a relaxing, intimate atmosphere. This combination of natural and ambient lighting is essential in creating the soothing, sanctuary-like quality of this bathroom. The rustic terracotta sanctuary also incorporates natural elements like stone and wood. A stone sink carved from a single piece of rock can be the centerpiece of the room, while wooden accents such as a rustic vanity or exposed beams add warmth and character. These materials not only enhance the rustic aesthetic, but also connect the bathroom to the natural world, grounding it in the earthy, organic beauty that defines this style. The Spanish Colonial Revival style is a celebration of the rich history and tradition of Spanish design, bringing the timeless beauty of colonial-era architecture into your home. This bathroom is characterized by the use of vintage tiles, hand-painted with intricate patterns that tell a story of craftsmanship and culture. The color palette is rich and warm, with deep reds, blues, and earthy tones, creating a sense of depth. Vintage lighting, wrought iron fixtures, and arched doorways add to the old world charm, making this bathroom a perfect choice for those who appreciate traditional design. In a Spanish Colonial Revival bathroom, the details are everything. Hand-painted tiles, often featuring floral or geometric patterns, cover the floors and walls, creating a vibrant, textured backdrop. The walls are often finished in white or cream, providing a neutral canvas that allows the tiles to shine. This bathroom is designed to be both beautiful and functional, with every element chosen to enhance the overall aesthetic. The result is a space that feels both timeless and contemporary, a perfect blend of old and new. Lighting in this style is warm and inviting, with an emphasis on creating a cozy, intimate atmosphere. Wrought iron sconces or chandeliers add a touch of vintage elegance, while natural light from small, arched windows creates a soft. The play of light and shadow adds depth to the space, enhancing the historic feel while creating a relaxing, intimate atmosphere. This combination of natural and ambient lighting is essential in creating the soothing, sanctuary-like quality of this bathroom. The Spanish Colonial Revival bathroom also incorporates natural materials like wood and stone, which add warmth and texture to the space. A wooden vanity or stone countertop can be the perfect counterpoint to the vibrant tiles, adding a touch of rustic charm. These materials not only enhance the aesthetic, but also create a connection to the natural world, grounding the space in both tradition and modernity. The result is a bathroom that feels both luxurious and welcoming, a perfect blend of old and new. The Mediterranean Coastal Spa is a refreshing take on Spanish bathroom design, bringing the breezy, relaxed vibes of the Mediterranean coast into your home. This style is perfect for those who love the ocean and want to create a bathroom that feels like a seaside retreat. The color palette is dominated by shades of blue and white, evoking the colors of the sea and sky, while natural materials like stone and wood add warmth and texture. The overall effect is a bathroom that feels light, airy, and incredibly inviting. In a Mediterranean coastal spa, the use of blue and white tiles is key. These tiles, often arranged in intricate patterns, cover the floors and walls, creating a visual connection to the sea. The cool tones of the tiles are balanced by the warmth of natural stone and wood, which are used for countertops, vanities, and accents. This combination of materials creates a space that is both elegant and relaxed, perfect for those who want a bathroom that feels like a luxurious getaway. The overall mood of this bathroom is one of calm and serenity, making it the perfect place to unwind. Lighting in a Mediterranean coastal spa is all about creating a bright, airy atmosphere. Natural light is a must, so large windows or even a skylight are ideal. If natural light is limited, consider using white or light-colored fixtures to reflect and amplify the light. Pendant lights or chandeliers made from natural materials like rattan or shell can add a coastal touch, while still providing plenty of illumination. The goal is to create a space that feels open and welcoming, like a beach house on a sunny day. The Mediterranean coastal spa also emphasizes a connection to nature. Consider adding a touch of greenery with potted plants or fresh flowers, which can add a pop of color and life to the space. If space allows, a small water feature, like a fountain or a fish tank, can further enhance the coastal feel. These natural elements not only add to the aesthetic, but also create a relaxing, spa-like atmosphere. The result is a bathroom that feels both luxurious and down-to-earth, a perfect balance of style and comfort. For those who appreciate a more contemporary take on Spanish design, the modern Hacienda Elegance style offers a sleek and sophisticated option. This bathroom combines the rustic charm of traditional Spanish hacienda design with the clean lines and minimalist aesthetic of modern architecture. The result is a space that feels both luxurious and understated, perfect for those who want a bathroom that is as stylish as it is functional. The color palette is neutral with shades of white, gray, and black dominating the space, while natural materials like stone and wood add warmth and texture. In a modern Hacienda Elegance bathroom, simplicity is key. The design is clean and uncluttered with a focus on high-quality materials and craftsmanship. Smooth concrete or stone floors set the stage, while walls are often finished in polished plaster or tile. The overall effect is one of refined elegance, where every detail is carefully considered. This bathroom is designed for those who appreciate modern design but still want to incorporate elements of traditional Spanish architecture into their space. Lighting in this style is minimal and functional, with an emphasis on creating a bright, airy atmosphere. Recessed lighting or sleek, modern fixtures are ideal, providing plenty of illumination without distracting from the overall design. Natural light is also important. Large windows or skylights are a great way to bring the outdoors in. The goal is to create an open and inviting space without being overly ornate. This combination of modern and traditional elements creates an elegant and timeless bathroom. The modern Hacienda Elegance bathroom also incorporates natural elements like wood and stone, which add warmth and texture to the space. A wooden vanity or stone countertop can be the perfect counterpoint to the sleek, modern design, adding a touch of rustic charm. These materials not only enhance the aesthetic, but also create a connection to the natural world, grounding the space in both tradition and modernity. The result is a bathroom that feels both luxurious and welcoming. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and share with us any design ideas you'd like us to feature in our next videos. And until next time,